What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're checking out a product made by LaunchTech USA, and that's the X431 Torque. Now, I've had this product for a few months now, but I've been pretty busy with all the products and working on the Camaro and I'm on the road a lot. So enough of that. We're looking at the X431 Torque made by LaunchTech USA. If you're looking at getting a LaunchTech USA product, make sure to check out the link below, or make sure you're at the right website when you are purchasing it. If you're getting it through Amazon or whatever, make sure it's not just LaunchTech. Make sure it's a LaunchTech USA product. If it doesn't say X431 Torque, you're probably getting a Chinese knockoff made by a company called LaunchTech. It's not the same thing. So just whenever you're looking at any of their items, make sure it's actually one of their items. You guys might remember one of my previous videos on their Millennium 90. This is a code reader, and it does quite a bit more than that. It's a great little product. Now this is more geared towards your DIY and professional mechanic or technician. It's a nice rubberized sleeve, free updates, everything like that. Comes in this nice little pouch and your OBD2 connector and everything. This is going to run a couple $100s, where this is going to be more geared towards your professional technician or mechanic. Now, don't get me wrong, a DIYer could purchase it, but if you're only working on your vehicles, it might take a little while to pay off. It does run a little over $2,000, so just keep that in mind. But if you're a DIYer and you work on a lot of cars or do a lot of work like that, you're going to get your money's back. It's a great product. We're going to dive down. We're going to take a look at the contents of what you get when you actually purchase this, because it comes with a lot more than just the tablet itself. It's going to come with a lot, and it's packaged really nicely. So we'll look at that, and then we'll quickly go into a little overview of what the programming and everything actually looks like and some of the things that you can do. And then in my next videos, we'll actually go into diagnosing some problems and stuff. But as of right now, I've had it for a few months, but I've been super busy, so I've got to play around with it a little bit, solve a couple issues, but we'll save more diagnostic stuff for later videos so this doesn't run too long. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you are interested, it'll be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into this. So this is going to be the hard blow molded case that it comes in. Really nice, pretty good size, so you can already tell that you're going to get quite a bit. The contents are pretty nice. So you got two latches here that you'll just slide open. We're going to take a look at the bottom half first. These are just some cleaning wipes that I keep in here for touch screens. This is going to be the Bluetooth OBD2 connector, and this is really nice. It connects really fast. It's also got a rubberized coating on it, so it's durable. The thing that's nice about this is you don't have to be sitting right in the car, standing right outside the door in order to use your scanner. You can walk around anywhere in the shop and be connected to the car working on it, just in case you want to go show the customer what's going on or anything like that. This is great. So then over here, you have more connectors that slide it out. Just different cables and connectors for your different vehicles and different situations. So, and this isn't even close to all of it. This is just what comes in the bottom half. And it's nice, everything comes in this foam to keep organized, or in straps. You got Velcro straps all over this thing. The actual scanner is protected by this. I like to keep it in there. And then it also has foam and straps for it as well. But before we actually get into going over some information about the scanner, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's on the top half. So over here, you're going to have a lot of your connectors for different vehicles. As you can see, it kind of points it out. It's all that foam. And then you got everything labeled here. You got Subaru, you got your Korean vehicles, you got Toyota, BMW, Chrysler, Honda, Toyota, Mazda, you got your sedan 3, I'm not sure what that's for. Kia, GM, Daewoo, which is also Korean, Ford. I mean, you get a lot of different connectors here, and you get all the cables to connect it all. So that's really nice. And then right here is a little door, just held in by some tabs, more Velcro straps. You're gonna have more cables even more cables and connectors for your cigarette lighter outlet, plug it in, battery connector, all of that. And then you're also going to get a baggie with all of the product information, the warranty, instructions, and all of that as well. There's going to be some codes in here as well in order to activate your device and all of that. So a lot of content with this. You're not just getting a scanner and the OBD2 Bluetooth connector, you're getting a lot more than that. And it's very well organized, really nice case. So I thought that was really cool, very presentable, very functional, really nice. So let's actually dive back down to the actual scanner itself. I'll get you guys up closer, give you some information on this, and then we'll take a look at it. All right, so moving into a little bit closer up view of the Launchtec USA X431 Torque. You're gonna have this plastic case around the Android tablet. You're also gonna have a rubber sleeve on top of that, so it is very durable. You're gonna have a 10.1 inch display. You're going to have these vent ports up here for your speakers. The only 3 buttons are your volume up and down and your power button. And then you're gonna have your charging port as well. It also does have an external SD card. You'd have to remove the case in order to replace that. It's got 2 gigabytes RAM ROM, and then you're gonna have 64 gigabytes on the card. What's nice about this is it also includes a camera, just in case you need to take pictures for your customer or for yourself, because it always helps to take pictures before you start working and as you go, as you do certain jobs. You also have this kickstand included, which is really nice. They have it kind of molded to your hand, so it's really comfortable to hold. And that's really it as far as the case. Now I'm gonna go over some information. It's gonna be an open Android system, so you're gonna have Google Play. You're gonna be able to download whatever apps you want, just like on your phone. Or if you have different apps that you use to work on cars that you can use along with the diagnostic tools that are already built into this device. What else? It's a 10.1 inch display. It has double touch on, so you don't have to press the power button on the side. You can just simply double tap if the screen shuts off on you. It has a 1-year warranty and 12 months of free Wi-Fi updates. So every time I use this thing, the first thing I do is I just go straight into the Diag app and I just search updates. And the great thing about it is so far they've been quick and easy to update. Now, the next thing is going to have Intelligent Connect. So when you use your Bluetooth connector, it's going to connect fast and it's going to automatically search the year, make, and model of the vehicle. And it does it pretty fast, so that's good. It has full coverage of all Asian, European, and domestic vehicles, which is great. And that's not even all of it. I'll get to the rest in a little bit. Like I said, fast and easy updates. It also includes tech-to-tech, which I will show you here in just 1 minute. It also includes OBD1 connectors with BMW and Mercedes. I showed you guys that in the actual case itself. I already stated it's a Bluetooth connection, but obviously if you use any of those other adapters for BMW, Mercedes, stuff like that, you might not be able to just use the OBD or the Bluetooth connector. It also includes exotic coverage. It covers Maserati, Ferrari, Bentley, Aston Martin, Bugatti, Lamborghini, I mean, and many more. So it's also going to cover your expensive exotic vehicles as well. So that's great. The RAM ROM built into this is 2 gigabytes, and then it's going to have a 64 gigabyte card as well. The battery, the built-in battery is going to be a 7,000 milliamp hour battery. So it's roughly good for 8 hours of straight use. But trust me, if you're not using this every day or for hours and hours, you know, on end, I mean, when I'm here at home, this thing can sit and it'll have, you know, in sleep mode, days and days of battery life. Now, obviously, if you're working in a shop, you're going to be using this thing almost non-stop because this is a great tool to have. But just letting you know, the battery life is great on this thing. You can do health reports and system scans and system selects scans, and we'll get into all that now. So try and get you kind of a view where you can see everything. So here's the actual app. If we go to the main screen, as you can tell, I've downloaded some good old apps for this. It doesn't come with all of that, but here's going to be your X431 app. You're going to open it up, opens really quick. You can go to diagnose. Obviously I don't have anything plugged in, but you're going to have all of this. And then that's all. You can search as well and go to history as well. Your main buttons are going to be down here along the bottom. I am readiness, that's going to check your monitors and everything, see what's ready, what hasn't ran, all of that. Here's the first thing I always do when I enter here. You're going to have updates. These are already updated. These are the updates that I've done. And you have software download and downloaded. Here at the top, it's going to show you updatable software 0 and downloadable software 0. So it's all up to date and everything. And then we're going to go back. Tech to tech is something that can be very handy. Say you have a friend that works on another shop. Maybe you've came across a problem that you haven't seen before, but maybe he has or she has. You can talk to anybody and they can help you out. You can even clear codes and look at live data and everything from thousands of miles away with tech to tech, which is absolutely awesome. Next up, you're going to have diag feedback. You got history, offline list. One sec. Repair info. Now this is where you're going to pull up a lot of the famous sites that people use for checking service bulletins and stuff like that. You got All Data, which is a huge one I've used before, and then Pro Demand is another huge one that I've used before, but they also include some others. So that's really cool, quick and easy access there. So if your shop has any of these for the techs, then you can easily log into it straight through the X app. So that's really cool. And then you got your profile. It's just going to give you all your information, your settings, all of that stuff. And then vehicle coverage. This is going to be everything it covers. When you first open it up, this is actually going through the Wi-Fi through Launch's website, or their own stuff. So right now we're looking at heavy duty series, and it's just going to name everything that it covers. You got Cummins, you got Caterpillar, you got anything and everything. And then you got passenger series, so you're going to have your Chevrolet, your Ford, your Dodge, your passenger style vehicles. Huge list. So you got a lot of coverage here, which is absolutely great. Now, one second. A demo. Okay, so I'm just in demo mode right now. Sorry about that. You're going to have these 3 reports or scans that you can run on the vehicle. And then you can do a health report. And it's going to scan the vehicle for any faults, anything like that. And what's great is after this scan is done, you will actually be able to go in and save everything. So you'll have your pre-scan, and then you can compare it to your post-scan as well, so you can show your customer what exactly came up and the fixes and everything that were made. So you can go to report, and then you can create your own enter some information real quick, hit OK. Saving the report. So now you have all the information that you covered. It'll show all of the faults and everything that came up, and you can compare that to your post scan. If you go back, you have system scan. It's going to check absolutely everything that's running or everything that's active at the time. That's all we got right there. And then with the system selection, it actually allows you to go in and select what system you want to check. Say you just want to check the ABS system, or you just want to check the transmission, or the SRS, the seat belts and airbags and everything like that. So those are the three that you're able to run. You can really narrow it down and speed up your repair on the vehicle. So I'm just going to go ahead and back out. So that's just a quick look at just the X431 Torque app and what it can do. Now in my later videos I will actually cover some diagnosis of my car so you guys can actually see it at work instead of just looking at a demo. Okay, YouTubers, so I tried to go through this as quickly as I could while still providing you with some good information on the X431 Torque from Launch Tech USA. I gave you a look at the contents of what comes with it when you purchase the scanner. Obviously you get the scanner and the Bluetooth connector, as well as all your other adapters and cables and your warranty and all of that. And then we dove down, took a quick look at what the program actually consists of and what it can do a little bit. Now that's not all of it. Obviously in the future I'll run some diagnostic tests on my car so you guys can actually see the X431 Torque in action. So if you guys enjoyed, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. America!